Welcome to Branching Out. I'm Jenny Clark, Professional Learning Coordinator with the Kane County Regional Office of Education. Today, we're going to explore a strategy called the splash wall. This strategy activates prior knowledge, builds vocabulary, and sparks quick thinking. To begin, you will write 5 to 10 words on your board or chart paper that are connected to your upcoming lesson or unit. Students could choose to write a sentence or a short story using 3 to 5 of the words, or guess what the lesson will be about. Afterwards, invite students to share their sentences or guesses aloud. This simple strategy builds vocabulary, activates thinking, and creates excitement for new learning. So, what might this look like in the classroom? Let's take a look. Before introducing a new unit on weather, I might tell students that the new unit is top secret, and they will be working to try to figure out what it is. Then I would write keywords from the unit on the board, like cloud, storm, sunshine, thunder, forecast, and meteorologist. I would tell students, you have 2 minutes to either write a few sentences using as many words as you can, or guess what today's lesson will be about and defend your thinking in a sentence or two. Once time's up, students will share their answers. It's that quick and flexible. You could use visuals and definitions to support your students' understanding of the vocabulary words too. You can also use the splash wall at the end of a lesson or unit to show what students have learned, but this time, students would use as many words as possible to explain what they've learned about the given topic, but they must include at least 5 of the splash wall words. A splash wall works for any grade level, subject, or topic, and it's a fast way for your students to get talking, thinking, and making connections. So now it's your turn to branch out and give the splash wall strategy a try in your classroom. Please don't forget to share your experience with us by tagging us on social media. And as always, thanks for watching Branching Out.